Okay, good afternoon. My name is Alberto Echeverri. I'm from Cali. I have 37 years old. I'm single, but I have a baby. This is my baby. My baby has 2 years old. It's cute. And actually study in UNAD, electronic engineering. 5 years ago, I studied electronic technology in Univalle. In this moment, I hope to learn a lot in the unit. Okay, start with the presentation. Okay, let's to go Punta Cana. It's beautiful site. By Fabián Echeverri, English 2. Okay, my last vacation was 2012 in Dominican Republic. This was amazing. I went 1 week enjoying a beach. See ya and soon. I went alone. I stayed at the Calavera Punta Cana Resort Hotel. In Punta Cana, the sand is white, the sea is deep blue. I took a sailboat to reach a place called Ingles. It is scenic. The weather is crystal clear. I had a delicious fish lunch. After I swam in the sea, I took another picture. I met some beautiful Ecuadorian girls and we became friends. At night, I went with the girls to dance. The club had a lot of foreign people. I liked it. The next day, I went to the Hard Rock Hotel. It's a luxury hotel. It's expensive. It has everything. Those vacations were incredible. I spent 2.5 million Colombian pesos, but it was worth. The weather in Punta Cana is nice. In the morning it's cool. In the afternoon that is hot and sunny. At some point it's invariable, but around 6 p.m. it's less sunny and the weather is windy. The breezing is pleasant. At night is great and the sky is cloudless. You can walk under moon and see the stars. I like it. It's recommended. Wear cold and comfortable clothes because the weather is warm. People should wear sunscreen and sunglasses because the sun is hard. Don't forget to eat the typical Punta Cana food. Other tips: walking in the beach in the morning, go to snorkeling in the sea, take a paragliding in the beach, to ride a horse in the sea, go to dance at disco night, take and enjoy on sailboat. Important point: people should always check the online vacation site for more information. Keep their passport inside secure and carry a copy it. Go to a week with other person to a recommended place. Other point important: you should know to do. Go alone to site not recommended. Take all their money when they go shopping. Stay sad and bored at the hotel. Okay, finish the presentation. Thank you so much.